Hello and welcome to Easy and Loose Watercolor Iris. I'm Maibis Navarro, a fine artist based in Switzerland. And in this class, you will build up your confidence so that you can paint a beautiful watercolor iris in a simple and loose style using your watercolors. In this class, you will learn how to express something unique from a flower that is meaningful to you. This is an inspirational class, great for anyone who wants to create something beautiful and without judgment. In this class, you will find inspiration in an amazing Swiss garden. I will teach you how to simply draw an iris flower. Even if you don't have any drawing skills, you can totally make it. Next, we will easily apply the first layer of paint. By lessons 6 and 7, you will add depth to the iris flower by deepening values and controlling edges. Next, you will learn how to refine the painting by adding those little details and interesting textures. Finally, we will have fun by splattering paints to create a versatile background. By the end of this class, you will create a loose and simple iris flower using your watercolors and watercolor pencils. You will develop a loose approach to watercolors, embrace intuitivity, and you will have fun in the creative process. Does this sound exciting? Yay! See you in class!